Mark 1 XR2, steady away, not a lot done, but we are getting there. We bought some more bits, pieces, they're on the way. But I've just been doing a little bit. So that bit there for the brake pipe and the flexi actually just snapped off when I think that, so I've had to take it off, plate it up. There's a little bit of plate gone into here, just little pinholes, not bad. But I've edge primed it, I've cleaned it all off, edge primed it. Just going to give it some seam seal when all that dries and everything. I don't know if I'm doing the right way because I'm not a body shop. I've never done body work, so I'm just trying to put something on to protect it as much as I can to keep it going as long as I can. So we'll see how it goes. We're off down the unit tonight. CVH engine for the Sierra, the 1800 for Gordon's. We're doing that. Got it out over the weekend. Didn't film nothing of it. Went up Gordon's and helped him move a few cars about. He's got hundreds, well, not hundreds, but quite a few. Grabbed a few bits and pieces. XR3i tank, that's ready. Yeah, if you've seen that, we've welded, there's a patch over there welded in. Like I say, it's not the best, it's not butt welded, but I will see the car again going, and that's the main thing, because I've never seen it run since 2004. So, well, yeah, I did. We did see it running. We put that head and everything on and got it all running before I stripped it. That was 7 years ago. So she isn't going to be the mintest one, but it's going to be a survivor. So, right, I'm going to go down the unit now and pull us 18 CVH to bits. Right, Graham, what are we doing?
We are stripping this 18 CVH down to put all the manifolds and things under that one to then drop in the car.
For
Gordon Sierra. So we've got the inlet manifold come off, the exhaust manifold to come off, clutch and flywheel, a few other ancillaries, and then we've got time belt to do, some changeover, pick up pipe.
Oh yeah, it's got something on, has it?
No.
Well, we've also got... Oh.
Yes, we need to change that bolt. This one's got a short one in. I think the cam pulley does look the same, but it's got a shorter bolt in.
Oh, because this got a... oh, no, the size of the washer.
Yeah.
About the size
so we'll take that bolt and washer out of there and put that into there just to make sure it's the right one. Because there is slight differences between the engines, isn't there?
Yeah. The one out the car's single point injection. And this one was a carb, wasn't it?
Yes.
With the
with the distributor
on the front.
Yes.
Where obviously that one's electronic ignition. So we haven't got the pickup either. You know, if your crankshaft resistance.
Yeah, we have it on the casing.
Oh, it's on the case.
It's built into the case.
Oh, right. I've never had nothing to do with these.
Yeah, it's built into the timing case.
Oh, this one's timed up. It's handy.
And by the looks of things, the bottom crank pulley is still the same.
Oh, good.
To be fair, I'm sure the other case had a crank resistance sensor when I took it off.
Oh, you've already took that off. And
yeah, I don't know where everything's gone now. Yeah. But yeah, I took that off before, so we could have a look to see if there was any differences.
You're struggling there, Sean. Right, so what else have we got? We've got that sensor in there, oil filter, dipstick tube, it's down there. Right, so the dipstick tubes are in a different place.
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a strange one.
That's dipstick tubes here, round about here. This one's right back at the beat. Back here.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it is fine.
Strange.
Yeah. Ford like throwing a curveball in every now and again, don't they?
Well, wouldn't be Ford otherwise, would it?
Right, true. Very true. Now water pipes off. Four, three.
Right. Well, that was loose. Yeah. We've got ones that are tight and ones that are loose. Ready, Grim? Oh, it's got the bars on. Aye.
This side as well.
And this is this one.
Well, mind you, that engine is nice and clean inside.
They reckon it's smoking really bad.
Pistons and everything nice and clean at the bottom.
I don't know if he's. I don't think anyone ever just tried to valve some oil seals in it.
I'd look to see why it was smoking.
Yeah, but it's really bad though.
Yeah.
So I don't think valve some oil seals would probably cut it.
No, it sounds like the rings have gone, doesn't it?
I've got a bolt down in the middle here. I've got that bolt there cracked. That one's taken off with a Jubilee clip.
The link was out loose. It's just spinning.
How do you get a screwdriver and just loosen that Jubilee clip a bit? Instead of trying to rive it past.
The Jubilee clip's loose.
Aye, but
Oh,
it's not
it's
shipping, is it? Oh, it's still got a ring.
Ring. I don't even think it's happened at the twist before.
I would move the pipe about half inch upwards.
Or a pressure switch there, you know.
Oh.
I know where that
Is that your head?
Yeah. Oh dear.
What?
No wonder.
My brake pipe completely clogged.
Yeah.
Oh, it is.
That's solid.
Is it?
Yeah, all the way.
That's
Oh,
solid.
hell.
No wonder it was
It was just from the reason why it was smoking.
Yeah.
Because it wasn't breathing.
Yeah. So the oil had to go somewhere, didn't it?
there's not wrong with it, can you?
Sean's actually on with the food, aren't you? He's on ordering food. And we have over here, Chris, making a meal of, you made a meal of Chris?
Oh yeah, I'm going to collect it. Sean Mitchell. Could I have 3 half-pound cheeseburgers, please? Right, 1 with salad and 2 with chips.
Yeah, because these are also well rounded.
Yeah,
Yeah. So, put the arms on.
yeah, the arms are there. And the 2 with chips, can we have some garlic sauce with them too, please?
1 with your discs. You know what use them?
That's it, thanks.
Yeah, we.
20 quid, yeah?
Really good.
Yeah, yeah. What's on offer? We'll have a pizza, please. Pepperoni. 20 minutes. Cheers. Bye.
Oh yeah, mine's Wilbur, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a fucking thing.
Right, you know what we got ours last week?
Yeah.
Didn't get that for free, did we?
You injured about food again.
No way.
Rim, what you were doing apart from smoking?
I'm up for a quick veer.
Alright. 20 minutes, 20 quid. So we had a bit of a mess down here tonight. All my fishing gear, I forgot to wait on Sunday.
I'll give you the car.
Drying out. I've got a turbo bonnet. Yes, there's a turbo bonnet.
You are? Yeah.
For the hard free.
Check it
How
out.
do you do that?
Okay,
There's
there's
the
the
body
body.
man. So
How do you get paid? Is it monthly or?
What's the eye?
Well, we got a tap, didn't we, off Gordon for the free eye?
Yes. Yes, we've got time for the 3i. Time for the 3i and one for the Fiesta.
Yes. So, what else have we got to do? Yeah, the Fiesta the bill, don't we?
We do.
Yeah. Have we picked the colour, or are you keeping it on the last?
I'll pick it on the wraps for now, but I think I have to pick a colour. I'll keep it on the wraps for now. I think I'll pick a colour, yes. Yes. I think I'm pouring on one now.
Is that what we were talking about the other night?
Yes. I think so, yes.
I think it was nice. But, Chris is pretty hard to know. Melissa's little mark one up there. It's golden Shield. She's giving it a little energy. Yeah, giving it to her 16-year-old son. Which is Chris's son.
Yeah, I looked tonight because I was down the went down. Oh, aye.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. We'll get this engine sorted for Gordon. He's going to do all the sunroof and everything in the car. So we're just going to get it in, get it running, and get it back up to him. But I have told him I do want one of his cars down here. Get an engine sorted. Get it all up and running. So I don't know when the last time it was running. We're going to keep that under wraps as well for now because it's a special car. It's got a lot of history. Hasn't it, Graham?
Which one?
The one that's coming down for from Gordon's.
Oh, yes. Yes.
The one we were looking at the other day.
Yes. I didn't actually get to have a look at it while we were up there. But I know which
Well,
one
you
you're
could see
about.
the seats. Really
Yes,
quick.
yes. You couldn't really see the car, but yeah, that's a bit of a special one that's going to be coming down.
And that's the kind of stuff we want to do. We're not just put an engine in an old Sierra.
Yeah.
Right, so.
Yeah, we're quite looking forward to getting that one down and having a play with that.
I do want that doing. Are we doing that after Christmas?
Yeah, I will. We'll get the mark over.
Which Christmas? This Christmas. this Christmas coming. Get that one
So
after.
January.
We'll start that by January.
Yeah, we should have that one
We should
done by
have
the
that
end.
one done.
Yes, in
Before-
December.
Yeah. Well, down to December. Yeah.
Between now and December, we'll have the Mark Escort done.
I'll tell you what I did find the other day. The pipes. You know that pipe bender you give us?
Yes,
I
right.
found it.
All right.
So the main fuel pipes.
So we make our fuel pipes.
Yeah.
Ah, yes.
Weird what you come across when you tie it up, isn't it?
That is our
What a pipe bender. Right. What have we done, Sean?
Lots.
We have got. Get that torch turned up. We've got the carburetor on, or single point injection. Oh, what do I want that for? You need to take these ones up. Yeah, single point injection's on. Exhaust manifold's on. We've got the clutch and flywheel to go on. It comes off the engine stand. Just on the timing belt. Built all the cover back on and everything. So once we've got the flywheel and clutch on, we'll be on the engine stand, ready to go back in. And then we've got to cross our fingers, our legs, Everything else, the engine's all right, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because we don't know if Gordon's give us a good engine. So. He says it is, but it come with no someone.
Normally a good sign, isn't it?
I would get another someone and he sold it. Instead of phoning us and getting us to take the engine out. To get it gone, you know what I mean? So we're going to have a quick tidy up now. I'll put these plugs in. Chris is still playing with his manual legs. Getting there while he was good. I hope he is, there's no noise he's making. Right, Chris?
Yeah. That's one that came out. That's no ordinary plug.
I was one them aye. Iridium things. Good.
PTR5 Alpha and GKRs.
Why is it on? Yeah. Right, we're gonna go on tidy up. Get home. See you 9 o'clock at night here. Well, yeah, days graft.